So having highlighted the positive performances at the just concluded World Relays, it's time now to strike a balance with the concerns about our 400-meter runners. Neither the men or the women 4x4 team managed to make the final. And yes, these were by and large second and third string athletes, but that should not matter. Jamaican relay teams don't drop out in the heats. The truth be told, Antonio Watson was in the mix 4x4. Rashan Clark, Rashid McDonald et al. Were all missing for one reason or another. But even then, the pool of Jamaican quarter milers, both on the men's side and on the women's side, the pool is shallow in terms of quality. Put it this way, not making the final of one relay, much less two at the world event, is rather un-Jamaican, especially in an event in which Jamaica has such rich and great history and tradition.